Hey y'all, we're going to be looking at writing the equation of circles in standard form, just based off of the center and the radius. So the first thing that I want to go ahead and start with is the fact that we have an equation of a circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. And r stands for the radius of the circle, and H and K stand for the center of that circle, and in the form of H then K. Now you will notice that there are these beautiful little minus signs in here, okay? And those minus signs are just going to be indicating to use the opposite of the center in the equation. So use opposite of center in the equation. Okay, so let's go ahead and start that, and we will build some equations. So let's go over to this red one here, and we are going to find the center first. And if you notice that, it's just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our center is going to be -4 up 6. And then all we have to do is count our radius, which is simply, in this case, 1, 2. So the radius is 2. Now, we just build the equation right off of what we see here. We see x, and it says minus, which just simply means the opposite. Okay, so we use the opposite of that -4, so x plus 4 squared plus, then we go to y minus. Once again, we have the opposite again, so that's going to be y minus 6 squared equals to the radius, which is right there, which is in our case 2, so we write 2 squared. Now, we can just go ahead and clean it up. We can say x plus 4 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals to 4. And you can type this directly in the Desmos and check it as it is. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the blue equation. We will do that one as well. And we're going to find the center, and you can see that this center is at 3, -2. And the radius is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So r equals to 4. And we just start plugging things in. So we go x, the opposite of 3, which is -3 squared, plus y, the opposite of -2, which is +2 squared, equals to a radius of 4. So I'm going to write 4 squared, which is just simply x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals to 16. Once again, check that on Desmos, type it in directly as it is, and you'll see that that answer or that graph should line up in about the same spot. Let's go to the last one, which is going to be bring us to a center of approximately -5 and -3. And it does have a radius of 1, 2, 3, r equals to 3. And I just write out the equation. X, use the opposite of that -5, which is +5 squared. And then y, use the opposite of that -3, which is going to be +3 squared, equals to the radius of 3. So we take that 3 squared, and that gives us 9. You should be able to plug every one of these answers into Desmos, and you would see the formation of all 3 of these graphs. That's how you write the equation of a circle using the center and radius of a circle.